逆転せい。
So welcome back again to my channel mga lods, and ngayon ay unbox natin tong bad boy na to. Naka box pa, which is pain. So kailangan natin yung ating scissors for this unboxing. So let's rip the tapes off. So compare dito, in brown box yung lalagyan mismo ng figure compared dun sa mga previous kong figures, wala siyang katulad ng mga art box nung nakaraan. So yan, kita nyo, yan na siya mismo, yung loob plastic na agad siya kasi yun na mismo yung lalagyan niya, yung brown box na yan. So let's take it out, and mabigat siya mga lods. Siguro mga nasa 2.5 kilos I think, or maybe 3 kasi malaki siya. Siguro mga nasa 15 or 18 inches yung taas. So yan, kita nyo, full of bubble wrap and tapes. Alam mong secured na secured. So tanggalin lang natin yung mga tapes nya para makita na natin yung loob. By the way mga lods, this is a knock-off na figure. So compared to the original one, which is this one, ibang-iba. Pero in details, good na din. And if you're going to collect with a tight budget, or kung hindi mo pa afford yung resin na statue, this one is a good one na rin for your displays. Kasi as long as you're having fun naman, di ba? Di na mahalaga kung authentic or hindi yung binili mo. So as you can see here nga, nadidetach yung Planetary Devastation ni Pain dito, which is nandun si Kurama. And sa loob nun, meron tayong makita na LED light. So yan, nakikita nyo siya yung base and yung Pain na figure. Siguro ang scale nito is 1/4 or I think it's 1/6. Yan. So yan yung base nya. And naka-plastic pa si Pain. And yan. So ito yung base. So knock-off siya, so ibig sabihin hindi ganun kaganda yung base nya. And ito naman si Pain, which is naka-plastic pa. And ito naman yung remote, which you can control yun dun sa ilaw kung anong gusto mong colors. So yan, have a look of the figure na Pain. So makikita mo yung mga buildings and smoke and yung explosion na nangyari during dong nag-planetary devastation siya. So ultimate destruction talaga dun sa Konoha. And ito naman yung Kurama na ginamitan ni Pain ng Planetary Devastation. So yan, makita nyo yung 9 tails, Binilang ko yan actually and it's really 9. So, kahit dun sa details na yun, hindi naman siya ganun nagkamali. So, lagay lang natin siya dito para mag-match. But before that, kailangan pala muna natin lagyan ng batteries itong light pane kasi hindi included yung battery dun sa loob. So let's put batteries and kailangan niya ng 3 AAA na batteries. So let's go, and we got it. So let's just close this and put it in here, and we are set and ready to go. So lagay lang natin si Kurama dito. So switching on, and we got it. Different colors, so pwede kang mamili kung purple or green or red, anything na meron dun sa remote. So turn off the lights para mas malinaw na makita ang ilaw. So yung ilaw nagbigay ng additional effects dun sa figure, although knock off siya, good pa rin yung kanyang quality. So that's it for this figure, and again, thank you for watching mga lods. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment nyo na rin kung ano yung mga favorite nyo characters sa Naruto. So see you again, and thank you for watching.